Hi, my name is Amir Ali. We have helped more than 250 students in 2022 and the goal is to get to 500 certified PMP. How do we make sure that every single student become PMP? Let me share few things with you. As I said, we had 250 PMP as of 25th of September. Now, my goal is of course to go to the 500 PMP and we will be achieving that in 2022. This is only in 2022. Last year we had 302 PMP. So every year we are targeting for more, we are helping more students. How do we help this? So we have a batch program. The next batch is starting on 14th of October. We have batch starting in every month in the midweeks. Like this will be 14, 15, 16, and then 21, 22, 23. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. to UA time to 1 a.m. In these 6 days, we'll go through each and everything that you need to know for PMP. What does that mean? First of all, in these 6 days, we'll go towards the PMI official course, the PMI ATP material. The PMI ATP material. We go through that complete course in these 6 days. Plus, we solve more than 100 questions in these 6 days. So instead of like waiting that once the training is completed, you will solve the question, straightforward, we solve question in these 6 days. In addition to that, now 99% of the trainings, once you have taken the training, you are on your own. So people don't even take the exam. According to statistics, if 1,000 students have taken training from any training program, less than 100 students actually give the exam. This means 90% students don't even give the exam. So this is something that I really want to work on and I really want to work with you. Here comes my success coaching system. So what happens once you have taken the training in our training program, then I will start working with you. I'll give you a weekly roadmap. First of all, I'll give you, of course, the full roadmap, how you are going to study the entire thing. Like it will be 45 days roadmap or 30 days roadmap, depending upon how much time you can put on daily basis. Of course, the roadmap will be customized to every student and I'll give you the weekly roadmap. From overall roadmap towards weekly roadmap, what you need to study depending upon your time schedule. This is a very interesting thing. People tend to have one roadmap for all their students. I don't believe into that. Your schedule will be entirely different from other people. So how can you have the same roadmap as other people have? So that's why I'm gonna give you a specific roadmap customized according to your requirement. You go through the entire PMP course, you follow those roadmap things. And how do we make sure that you follow? Here comes the most important thing. And that's what I was talking about, missing all the programs. My daily follow-up. I will personally do daily follow-up with you. Where do you stand? What topics are you doing? What is the confusion that you may have? Each and everything I'll discuss you with daily, and then I will change your roadmap accordingly. You see, our program is agile. We adopt the program according to the student need. We adopt the program how you need to study. We change the program the way you want to study. We will change it. In addition to that, we have 3 coaching calls. Now, what does this mean? What does this coaching call is? PMP exam is all about solving 180 questions in 230 minutes. In this coaching call, we will share how you can solve hard questions of PMP. We will teach in 2 coaching calls. We will have 3 coaching calls in a week. In 2 coaching calls, Monday and Friday, you will solve the question. Other students will solve the question. You will learn from the students what they are thinking while they are solving question. On Wednesday coaching call, I will solve the question. So this way you will be learning from both other students as well as mine. So this both thing will help you to solve questions in the best possible way. Now these are the 3 most important things in my success coaching system. Weekly roadmap, daily follow-up and coaching calls. I would say that 3 pillars of my success coaching system. Coaching calls, daily follow-up, weekly roadmap. In addition to that, I'll give you WhatsApp support 24/7. At any time you have a question in our WhatsApp group, you can post me or you can ask me, okay, this is a question, how we are gonna solve this, what are the queries, you can ask me. We will give you our journey book. I want to highlight something, a very important thing. You do not need to read any book in our program. But if you want to read book, if you are among those people who love to read book, you can join my program and I will share you every single book that you need for the program in the PDF formats, of course. In addition to you will get the premium mocks, PMI ATP mocks. PMI give us 210 cloned question, exam like question. I'm gonna give you those questions. You can use that to understand how to solve the questions. Plus, I'll give you the best simulator in the market, most updated simulator I will gonna give you. I'm gonna give you final push course. I'm gonna give you the pathway series. All these things for you to become certified PMP. And the most important thing, I'm gonna coach you. I'm gonna guide you till you become certified PMP. You will be becoming PMP in 30 to 45 days. But till you become PMP, I will be there with you. And let me add one more thing, the last thing. All this thing is backed by money back guarantee. So if you want to become PMP, register now for our batch program. The cost is $499 for online program, $699 for face-to-face program. And if you want to join one-to-one program, the cost is $999 for that. The price is fixed, but we'll make sure you become PMP. Register now.